Okay, so finally got the S6 running. Went ahead and took the advice of one of my viewers and swapped out the ignition coils. Went ahead and went with the Bosch. These are the newer models. They have that plastic sheath around the shaft, and they just work better. You know, at least that's what the reviews say. So it should be a little bit better than what it was. I just turned the engine on, so I wanted you guys to hear the difference in idle before it warms up. You can see it's got a little skip to it, like I say. That's because I removed the valves in here and I have not tuned it yet. I'm gonna tune it. That's gonna help out a little bit with the idle when you turn it on. Again, I haven't done it before, but that's what people say, so we'll see how true that is. Even the guy that tunes it, he told me, yeah, it does fix that situation, but I guess we have to wait and see before we give a final verdict on that. But I mean, everything's working, so it was a pain in the butt to do the carbon cleaning and having to fix all those valves and everything, but at the end I guess it worked out. I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna go have them install the X-pipe on the exhaust. I'm gonna remove the two front resonators, so I'll just go ahead and see if I can get to the muffler shop and have them weld that in. And after that, hopefully this week, I'll get a chance to go to the guys that tune it and see if they can get the tune ready for it, because it's gonna have to be a specific tune that's gonna account for the missing valves on the intake manifold. But I don't know, I think it'll be all right. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep you posted.